Hi there, future leaders of artificial intelligence. Welcome to Anodiam, education that enlightens. In this video, we are going to discuss your roadmap around data science and artificial intelligence and what exact topics we will follow at Anodiam to make you successful in your career. We understand that talking to you about the opportunities of artificial intelligence in your career is like giving fish a bath, and we don't want to talk much about it. Rather, let's quickly cut into the chase and say how AI is going to evolve in around next 10 years' time. In just around 9 years of time, according to a survey by McKinsey, the economic contribution of artificial intelligence to the world economy will be almost of the proportion of a large country's GDP. It will boost all industries. It's extremely versatile, starting from banking to fashion to travel, you name it. Of this, 70 to 80% will be around a technology called supervised learning, and around 3 to 4 trillion will be of another technology called generative AI. There will be other technologies as well which you need to learn, like unsupervised learning, etc. Because AI is such a versatile subject, you need good foundation in elementary sciences such as biology, because when AI was first designed, it was following human neurological patterns. You need to have a good grasp of few chapters in physics, as in vectors, optics, acoustics, etc. You need to know a bit about some core engineering faculties like electronics, digital and analog, and computer architecture. Next, we will deal with AI theory, Python, data analysis, and data visualization. In AI theory, we'll first go about the general ideas, followed by ethical considerations. Ethical considerations is specifically important because with great power like AI comes great responsibilities. In Python programming, we will first deal with the basic Python programming constructs, followed by arrays and vectorization. These topics are specifically important for data science programming. Next, we will go about data analysis, and we will be using two of Python's greatest libraries for data science programming, namely NumPy and Pandas. We will deal a lot with data cleaning and data wrangling, followed by data visualization, where we will work a lot with a library called matplotlib. Next, we will move to a few non-neural network machine learning topics like k-nearest neighbor, random forest, and decision tree. We have a few optional topics like in Python, we will discuss about object orientation and Django for web development with Python. Tableau and Power BI are two great data analytics tools. Though they are optionals, you might like to follow along with us. In data visualization section, we would deal with the library called Seaborn, and we would also deal with choropleth maps. They are, though optional, you might like to follow along with us as well. Next, we will delve into a live project for social security app for government. If the database data looks pretty clumsy to analyze, we would first make it into statistical graphs and then into choropleth maps. So you can see visualization is the key. Mathematics and statistics are very important for data science and artificial intelligence. In mathematics, we won't actually ask you to dogmatically solve mathematical problems. Rather, we would use NumPy and matplotlib to find out the visualization of mathematical concepts. We deal with coordinate geometry, real and imaginary numbers, straight line, circle, parabola. In algebra, we would deal with dependent and independent variables, equations, inequations, polynomials, linear algebra, logarithm and exponential, permutation, combination, probability, etc. In trigonometry, sine, cos, tan, sinusoidal and tangential curves would be important for us. In calculus, we would just cover few basic topics like limits, derivatives, partial derivatives, integration, slopes, maxima and minima. In the statistics side, we will cover central tendency, variance analysis, continuous and discrete variables, regression, frequency distribution, statistical graphs, probability distributions like binomial, Gaussian and Poisson's distribution. Now comes a very important aspect of artificial intelligence, which is GenAI. GenAI is all about chatting with your data. You can ask artificial intelligence to generate text, images, videos, or even computer codes with human language like prompts, and AI will actually generate them for you. This is a very emerging technology and has got great opportunities now. In this, we will deal with prompt engineering, building apps with ChatGPT API, LangChain for LLM app development, diffusion models, chat with data, GenAI apps with Gradio, evaluate and debug GenAI model using weights and biases, large language models, semantic search, fine-tuning, semantic kernel, build API plugins, LLM for text embedding, pair programming, function tools and agents with LangChain, VectorDB, app development with VectorDB, embedding to applications, LLM app, quality and safety of them, efficiently serving them, advanced RAG applications, reinforcement learning with human feedback, advanced retrieval with Chroma, large language model apps with LangChain.js, LLM ops and automated testing of them, serverless LLM, Amazon Bedrock, Llama 2, Hugging Face, knowledge graphs of retrieval augmented generation, JavaScript, retrieval augmented generation, and Llama Index. Finally, we will have red teaming with LLM apps. Quite a long list. Then we will have a full stack live project involving automating OTC pharmacist. Users, when logged into their app, will be able to chat with this chatbot and buy OTC medicines online. This will be a total production grade application and will have a complete full stack technology architecture. After this, we will move into neural network and we will have a lot more topics. We will discuss about the course structure in a following video because this video is getting too long. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, do give us a like. Do not forget to subscribe and share. Thanks again from Anodiam.com, education that enlightens.